Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English Learning Podcast. I am happy you are here with me today. Before we start, take a deep breath together. Relax your shoulders and smile. Learning is easier when you feel calm. Today we talk about daily conversations. This is one of the best ways to improve your English speaking skills. Daily conversations are the small talks we have with people every day. They help you speak naturally without stress. I will share easy tips to help you use daily conversations to improve your English quickly and with confidence. Begin with short talks in English. Just say hello or how are you to someone you see every day. Use simple greetings with friends, classmates, or colleagues. Over time, your words will feel more natural and confident. When others speak English, listen carefully. Notice how they say words and how their voices go up and down. Copy their way of speaking. Repeat what you hear in your mind, then say it aloud later in your own practice. Every day, share something about your life. It could be what you ate, what you did, or how you feel. Say sentences like, I went to the park, or I made pasta today. Simple sharing helps you think in English. Good conversations are two-way. Learn to ask easy questions like, what do you think? Or how was your weekend? Questions make people talk more. This gives you more English to listen to, copy, and practice in your own speech. When you learn a new word, try to use it in conversation the same day. This helps you remember it better. You could say, I learned the word delicious today. This cake is delicious. Practice makes the words stick in your memory. Learn and use phrases like, I see what you mean, or that sounds interesting in daily talks with others. Phrases make your speech smoother because you do not have to think about grammar or each single word separately. Find chances to speak English in shops, cafes, or while traveling. Even small talks with strangers help you improve. Order food in English or ask for directions politely. These real moments give you confidence to speak more next time. Everyone makes mistakes when learning a language. Even native speakers sometimes say things that are not perfect. Mistakes show you are trying. Listen, learn, and try again next time. Confidence grows each time you speak anyway. A little practice every day works better than a lot once a week. Just 5 minutes a day can help. Talk to family, friends, or even yourself in English. The more you use it, the more natural it becomes. Daily conversations are your secret tool to improve English. They build confidence, teach real words, and make speaking easier. Start small, listen well, ask questions, and use new words. Every conversation takes you one step closer to fluency. Thank you for joining me today. Now go have one small conversation in English. You can do it!